I came upon the idea of incorporating gardening because so many literary texts feature nature as either an overt theme or more subtle theme. And because I want my students to be able to make clear arguments about the literary devices and overall the context of literature, and I'm an avid gardener, I learned so many lessons through gardening. I was like, maybe I can incorporate this into my classes some sort of way. I casually shared how I wanted to incorporate a garden into my courses and have the students do some hand-on gardening and then be able to better connect those literary lessons with nature. And also, since going green and caring about the environment is something many of our students already believe is important, I thought, maybe someday. I was introduced to the director of the Makerspace, Jordan Carswell, and turns out he had an area where my students can work and garden, and we can beautify the campus at the same time, and other people can enjoy our work as well. We are also what's considered a safe passage because many of the plants that we include in the class or in our garden are for pollinators, the birds, the bees, and producing butterflies. So that adds not only to our campus but the environment at large.
The way that it helps me learn literature is like to see things for more than they really just are at the base level. Because like with gardening, you have to see things for more than they are. You can't just look at a plant and go, oh, it's all right. You have to check the water. You got to make sure that it's getting enough sunlight. You got to make sure that it's not getting too much sunlight. So you got to like really like pay attention and understand it. Something I would say is that like if you do pick Miss Clay as a teacher, you're gonna have some very interesting stories to read. Mind you, you're gonna have to read. But like the stories are interesting. I mean, Earth Day is a very important day because it gives us time to think about the Earth that we come from. You got to think about it. Earth is everywhere for us. Well, the ways that nature does change will affect the literature as it goes on. Because I'm guessing as nature changes now, literature probably changes with it to like describe different things.
I think Earth Day is very important, just like any major holiday or event. But for me, Earth Day is like Thanksgiving. I'm thankful every day. The earth is our host. We are sort of a guest in its house, and we should always remember that.